Hey traders, hope you're having a great day. ApeCoin is showing a slightly bullish outlook, currently trading around 0.13 to 0.14 cents. The price is holding steady and buyers are starting to show some strength. Now let's dive into the chart and see what the next move could be. Hey traders, that's it for today's analysis. If you'd like access to fresh crypto scalp and swing signals, high profit potential trade setups are now available on Patreon. Join for just $10 per month. Link in the description and bio. And remember, always do your own research before making any trading decisions. This is not financial advice. Thanks for watching and happy trading!